In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format currency in Microsoft Excel and make negative values red. To get started, open your Excel file and locate the numbers you want to format. This method is especially useful if you're working with budgets, reports, expense sheets, or any spreadsheet where you want currency values to be easier to read at a glance. Making negative numbers appear in red is a simple way to highlight losses, overspending, or other values that need attention. Once your file is open, select the data range you want to change. Make sure you highlight all the cells that contain the values you want formatted. If you only select part of the range, the formatting will only apply to those specific cells. So it's worth taking a moment to confirm your selection before moving on. Next, press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard. This shortcut opens the Format Cells panel, where you can customize the way your numbers appear. It's one of the fastest ways to access formatting options in Excel, and it saves time compared to searching through menus. When the panel opens, go to the Number tab. From there, click the drop-down field and choose Custom. The Custom category allows you to define exactly how Excel should display your values, which is helpful when the built-in number formats don't quite match what you need. Now look for the type box. Under that field, Excel will usually show a list of suggested custom formats. From those suggestions, choose the one that uses a number pattern with a comma and 2 decimal places followed by a semicolon and a red negative format. In other words, select the format that displays positive values normally and shows negative values in red with a minus sign. This custom format tells Excel to keep your standard number appearance for positive amounts while automatically applying red text to negative ones. As soon as you click that format, you should see the change applied to your selected cells. Your values will now appear in a currency style number format, and any negative values in that range will stand out in red. This makes your spreadsheet much easier to scan and helps important figures stand out immediately. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can make your Excel data look cleaner, more professional, and much easier to interpret.